Good morning and happy Monday. Andrew Marquis, themarquisteam.com, CrossCountry Mortgage. Hope you all had a great weekend. Once again, it was a Saturday filled with rain. Unbelievable. I think it's 13 weeks in a row. But nonetheless, had a good weekend. Hope you all did too. And reaching out this Monday, June 9th, with our interest rate update and product update for the week. So starting off with conforming loan amounts, $806,000 or less, 1 point. 30-year fixed is at 6.7, 20-year 6.49, 15-year at 5.75, and a 5-year ARM at 6.25. Fixed for 5 years based on a 30-year term. No prepayment penalty on any loan. Jumbo, 1 point, 807,000 loan amount or greater. 30-year fixed is at 6.375. 10-year ARM at 5.875. 7-year ARM at 5.625, and 5-year ARM at 5.5%. Our product update for the week is non-QM. Non-QM is sort of like non-conventional loans. We have a broad array of products within this, and we actually fund these loans in-house. We underwrite, close, all of that. It's not a brokered loan. So these are loans that we can underwrite and close very, very quickly inside of 2 weeks. And I would say, if nothing else, they solve a lot of problems. They finance a lot of deals that conventional guidelines will not handle. So a few of the options that I have listed out here are bank statement loans. So if you're a self-employed client, you don't claim enough income on your tax returns, you write everything off. You can provide 6, 12, or 24 months of bank statements for your business. We will use the cash flow in those bank statements and underwrite the loan based on that and not require tax returns. So that's a great option for self-employed customers. Asset-based loans. I don't have a lot of income, but I have a ton of assets. I'm unemployed right now, but I have a strong asset portfolio. This is a great option. 1099 loan. I claim a lot of income on my 1099 from my company. I'm a real estate agent, but I write a lot of it off. We'll use the 1099 to qualify the loan. Foreign national. I'm living abroad. I don't have a permanent residence in the U.S., but I want to buy a property. We'll do those loans. Foreign national. DSCR, I'm an investor. I want to buy an investment property. I don't claim a lot of income on my tax returns, but I'm buying a property and it's going to cash flow pretty well. We'll do that loan and we'll silo that one property, qualify off the rental income of that one property. So that's a great option. DSCR can close in an LLC. It can close with gift funds. So a great option for investors. And then our near miss full doc. So I have a great scenario. I've been self-employed for a year. I have good credit, some scenario that doesn't quite meet Fannie Freddie guidelines, but nonetheless is a good loan. It makes sense. I have a good down payment. We can do a full doc non-QM loan. So again, I'm documenting my income a regular way, but I might only be self-employed a year. I might be trying to use bonus income and I've only had my job for 6 months. These are loans that, again, don't quite meet the standardized criteria of Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac conventional, but nonetheless, we can fund them with our non-QM. So again, a ton of solutions here for a ton of borrowers, and we have many more. So if you have questions, please reach out to my team and I anytime. It's themarquisteam.com, and have a great week ahead. Thanks so much.